Hello guys, it's me again, Mark Paragas, and welcome back to another Singapore Torava vlog. Right now guys, we are heading to Bayfront Event Space right beside Marina Bay Sands, and galing tayo sa accommodation natin guys. So the nearest MRT from our accommodation is like 12-minute walk. So wala pa tayo sa event pero paguran na. So anyway, stay tuned for the vlog regarding our accommodation para makita nyo naman kung pwede nyo maging options na magstay pag nandito kayo sa Singapore. So anyway, for today's video guys, we're going to attend a very special event. First time ever here in Singapore guys. And doon siya gaganapin sa Bayfront Event Space. And this event guys is called Illumi, a magical universe of lights and multimedia. We are going to witness guys like thousands of lights and 20 millions LED lights. And finally guys, this event has started and that will last until February 2, 2025. So syempre I will give you more details about the event. So ngayon babiyahe muna tayo going there. And by the way guys, this event is not a free admission event. So you need to purchase a ticket, and the prices ng mga ticket nag-varies depends on the date or the day na gusto nyo. Like magkapareho yung price from Monday to Thursday, and then magkakapareho yung price from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Alright, so we are now here sa Matar MRT station, and ang bababaan natin is mismong Bayfront station. So, see you guys later. Not sure kung kita nyo. So nandito tayo sa Matar Station guys. Blue line. Sasakay lang tayo hanggang Bayfront.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so nandito na tayo sa Bayfront. And nakikita ko na, pag may nakita na kayong malaking Christmas tree na more on lights, meaning tama yung binabaan ninyo. And by the way guys, we have the VIP ticket. Ang time is 8:30 pa, pero this event nag-start na siya ng 7:30. Currently it's 7:37 PM. So maghihintay pa tayo ng mga 1 hour. So makakapag-vlog pa tayo bago tayo makapasok, and check natin kung ano yung experience na meron sa loob. And again guys, you will witness thousands of lights and 20 millions LED light here sa Bayfront event. And ito nga yung tinatawag na Illumi, a magical universe of lights and multimedia. Wow, yan na siya guys, nag-start na. Wow, sana pala inagaan pa natin. By the way, pag nag-MRT kayo guys, ang baba nyo is Bayfront and then take exit A. So guys, ang ticket natin is for 8:30 PM. So I asked yung staff sa entrance, sabi pwede ako makapasok siguro mga around 8:15. So we still have like 30 minutes. Ito na siya. And ang init dito guys. Dito muna tayo sa Bayfront mismo. Ang ginit dito, hey! Gabi na ha. Ito pala guys yung the shops at Marina Bay Sands. Tapos ayun sa pinakatuktok yung Marina Bay Sands, ayan. The Fullerton Bay Hotel guys. Guys, kukuha na ba ako ng iPhone 16? Charot lang. Meron din pala ditong fountain, fountain show. Alright, so let's have a quick details na lang about this event para at least alam nyo kung ano yung expectations kapag kumuha kayo ng ticket. So again guys, this is Illumi, a magical universe of lights and multimedia. And this is an international premiere guys, like right now. And this event guys will last until February 2, 2025. So if ever nagbabala kayong magpunta ng Singapore, then I guess you might want to consider going to this event. So this will be the world's largest light, sound and multimedia show of its kind, featuring the world's tallest tree of lights. It stands 47 meters tall, 5 Merlions stack, a carousel, and 9 unique worlds with lifelike animatronics and thousands of installations brought to life with 20 million LED lights. A magical and extraordinary nocturnal outdoor journey under the stars, unlike anything seen before in Singapore. So some terms and conditions guys, kapag magpa-purchase kasi kayo ng ticket, may date kayong dapat i-select kung kailan yung preferred date niyo to visit the event. And that single admission guys is good for 60 minutes to a maximum of 90 minutes to stay inside. This admission is free for children below 2 years old, and all children below 12 years old must be accompanied by a parent or a guardian. And just want to let you know guys that this event is an outdoor event, diba? So just in case umulan, tuloy pa rin guys ang laban. That's why yung mga ticket na mapapurchase nyo guys, meron silang ticket insurance na just in case you are not comfortable to go on your preferred date, let's say maulan, tuloy pa rin naman siya, ayaw nyo lang pumunta, that ticket insurance will guarantee na pwede nyong i-rebook yung inyong ticket for some other day or for some other time. And this one guys, outside food and drinks are not allowed. Just in case may dala kayo, you need to consume it before you enter the facilities or enter the event. So guys, ilalagay ko na lang dito sa screen kung ano yung website na pupuntahan ninyo. They have 2 websites kung saan kayo makakapag-book ng ticket. And again, they have 4 types of tickets. Ticket for kids, ticket for adult, the standard one, VIP ticket, plus ticket for concession. Ito yung mga PWD and senior citizen here sa Singapore. And since sabi ko nga sa inyo, since first day, nagkataong first day nila ngayon at nandito tayo, aba, kailangan natin magpaka VIP guys. They have also VIP ticket all across their schedule naman. Ang VIP ticket guys includes single admission of course, VIP lanyard and gift, 1 complimentary ride sa kanilang carousel and flying chair each ride, 1 complimentary non-alcoholic drinks and ticket insurance. So yung ticket insurance, sinabi ko naman na kung paano siya gagamitin. Ang time slot guys, from 7:15 PM up to 9:30 PM. 9:30 yung pinaka-last admission nila. So you have 1 hour to 1.5 hours to enjoy this event. I would suggest kung like pa-holiday na or weekends na kinabukasan, you can go here siguro mga 9 PM. Baka wala na masyadong tao. Alright, so currently it's 8 PM guys, and punta na tayo siguro doon mga 8:15, and then we will have a virtual walking tour ng event mismo. And share ko na lang din guys na ang maganda kasi dito sa camera na gamit natin, grabe yung pure video mode niya, yung night mode. By the way, I'm using an Insta360 Ace Pro, and grabe ang crisp nung video niya kahit madilim. Yan yung pure video mode ng ating camera. Syempre, let's have a 360 view ng Bayfront. Ganda ng background ko oh. Okay.
To the VIP tent to collect your lanyard.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you. VIP? Yeah. Thank you. So guys, this VIP ticket has 1 drink. Baling ginawa natin, dito tayo sa parang exit. Dito tayo mag-start, pabalik para wala masyadong tao. Tips ko yan sa inyo guys. Maganda dito siguro kung malamig dito sa Singapore. Lakas mga Christmas season na guys. So ito guys yung carousel. Isa sa mga libreng ride dito kasama ng ticket natin. Siyempre pang bata yan ha. Grabe guys, even yung mga upuan, may ilaw. Nakakatuwa dito. Ganda. Tapos with the background music na mga ganyan, ang sarap emote.
know you're waiting till the morning comes my bed. I just wanna be alone to feel free tonight. Told you so many times, don't wanna look back. Do I break your heart? What I feel inside, it burns me out. 이제 wonder how I leave you. There's no tears, tears, my love, Humber cries anymore. Now I leave you, I am perfect sign for another one. And you and I believe. Everyone talk to me, if I like some more than once, you are personal. Now I get this moment conversation, and tonight I don't wanna be alone to take the blame myself. Told you so many times, but never look back. Till I break your heart. What I feel inside breaks me down and burns me out. Left to nevermore. 이제 wonder how I leave you. There's no peace, peace, my love, Humber cries anymore. Now I leave you, I am perfect size for another one. And you and I believe. Everyone talk to me, if I like some more than once, you are personal.
Meron pa tayo guys hindi napupuntahan itong part na to. So, claim muna natin yung drinks natin. What drink is available?
I want complimentary drinks. You want orange or
No more?
Yeah, everything is chargeable now.
I want as this one.
Okay, no problem.
What's the gift for the VIP?
Sure, it's not here. Here's the merchandise.
Oh, okay. Nako guys, may problema. Yung VIP natin, dapat may kasamang drinks plus I think a merchandise or a gift. Pero wala nang drinks, wala na rin yung gift. Magre-reklamo tayo dito. Magre-refund tayo. Pero before that, tapusin muna natin to.
Could be anywhere. Madly, truly, could have fooled me. Ooh, Cupid,
So here guys, pagpasok natin kanina, siguro mga nag-start kasi ito ng 7:15 PM. Tapos may mga lumalabas na nag-exit na around 8 o'clock. Yung pala, kaya nyo siyang libutin ng siguro mga 1 oras. And then kasama na yung mga pictures taking. Magkano tayo? Magre-reklamo tayo. We got the VIP ticket guys. Wala tayong nakuha kahit isa. Only the lanyard. So we are back here. Actually ano, may mga tables standing. May pupuntahan tayo ulit. A lot of dogs here. Ow! 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 Look. Ito yung gusto ko. Maganda yung lights dito eh. Ayan guys, hindi tayo magsasalita. So kung napansin nyo guys, medyo konti na lang yung tao. And sabi ko nga sa inyo, diba, from 7:15 PM to 9:30 PM ang event na to. 9 pa lang on its first day. Wala na masyado tao. Siguro baka by 9:30 masasolo nyo pa to. Ganda ng sounds dito. Lakas maka-Christmas. Alright. So I guess that's it. So again, you will spend for like almost an hour here guys. Upo muna tayo dito. Ayan. Syempre magre-review na tayo. If I were you guys, if you are going to visit this place or this event, again, starting today hanggang February 2, 2025, you have options na kumuha lang ng standard ticket, also VIP ticket. But based sa ating experience, walang kwenta ang VIP ticket kasi parang nakaka 30 minutes pa lang tayo from the entrance time na kinuha natin or yung time na kinuha natin. Dapat ang VIP meron siyang merch na kasama plus complimentary drinks, but wala akong nakuha. Ubus na daw. So waste of money. Huwag na kayong kumuha guys ng VIP, okay? Pag pumunta kayo dito, enjoy the place, explore this event, more on picture taking, and then standard ticket na lang yung inyong kunin. And then I would suggest check the weather kasi you have the options to add yung insurance, yung ticket insurance na pwede nyong ilipat ng ibang araw yung inyong admission if umulan or if pangit yung weather. Kasi rain or shine guys, this event is still on, okay? Ang insurance is $10. So again, waste of money. Check nyo na lang muna yung weather dito sa Singapore bago kayo kumuha ng ticket para hindi masayang yung $10 nyo guys for the ticket insurance. I'm really disappointed. Well, for the ticket ha, guys, did you know na I purchased this VIP ticket for $63? So that's 2,700 pesos sa atin compared dun sa regular ticket lang na 1,000. I'm so disappointed. Nanginaya. Well, nakakapanghinayang siya guys. Kasalanan ko rin kumuha pa tayo ng VIP. Tapos dun sa $63 na yun, kasama na rin kasi yung insurance guys, yung ticket insurance. So yun, huwag nyo nang gawin. Oh, based on my experience guys, huwag nyo nang gayahin yung ginawa natin. You can just buy the regular ticket guys. Don't buy the VIP ticket. But in general guys, overall, maganda naman yung place, maganda yung event. Pero yun nga lang, for the standard ticket, okay na yun. May enjoy nyo yung place. You can spend here an hour taking pictures, taking videos, and anything you want here inside the event, Illumi event, okay? So magre-reklamo lang tayo. Excuse me. Yeah. I bought the VIP ticket for $63, but I didn't get anything.
Oh, you didn't redeem your...
I did, but it says it's sold out. Like nothing more, and also the gift and the drinks as well.
A few moments later.
You have an issue?
Yeah.
Can I help you?
I bought a VIP ticket and I thought there will be like a gift and free drinks.
Can I kindly see? Sorry,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got the ticket for
I went there for the drinks, but they said it's no more drinks.
Okay,
And then
how many tickets you have
just
here?
one.
Just one, no worries. So it's actually the cup we are looking for, right? Sure. Just give me a minute.
Oh,
Are
okay.
you going in again?
I'm done actually.
You're done actually?
Yeah,
Okay.
but I can wait.
No worries.
Ayun guys, nagreklamo tayo kasi I'm really disappointed. Kasi as you can see, you can visit this event from 6:30 PM to 10:30 PM. Pero 9 pa lang nung nagtanong tayo, wala nang drinks, wala na ring gift. So yun. I don't know, I forgot to get the name of the girl na mag-a-assist sa atin. Hanapin niya daw yung tao dito to get yung kailangan natin makuha talaga. Ayan, nagano naman siya, nag-sorry naman siya, and nag-thank you for reminding them na ganun yung nangyari. At least nag-complain tayo, at least they know what to do next, diba? Kasi tingnan nyo, look, a lot of people pa rin still going in. There, pumasok na si ate. Though I'm not sure din guys kung ano yung ibibigay.
Sir, sorry to keep you waiting. Can I,
yeah.
possible for me to take a photo of the ticket? Thank you very much, sir. Here you are, sir. This is your
Okay,
card.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry for it. Thank you so much
It's
for
okay.
being so patient with us.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Ay, check natin. Okay. So, it's a mug or tumbler, parang ganon. So, hi. Well, anyway guys, hindi masama mag-complain na, lalo na kung nasa tama naman kayo. Katulad natin, na-disappoint talaga ako kasi nga parang pati yung drinks natin, pwede nga soft drinks man lang sana yun, di ba? Para ma-hydrate tayo. So anyway, again, overall okay naman. Maganda yung mga lights, maganda yung effects, and also kung magpapapicture kayo, mas okay guys na may kasama kayo para may tagakuha kayo ng picture. But again, I will not suggest to get the VIP. magkano lang to? Knowing here na sobrang mahal guys, parang we just wasted almost 2,000 for the ticket price, including yung ticket insurance. So anyway, at least may idea kayo, di ba? First night ng event, nakakuha agad kayo ng tips based on my experience. So yun, anyway, okay naman na yun. Yung disappointment ko, ayan, nakakuha naman na tayo, okay na yan. At least just set your expectation. So yun. Alright, so that's it guys. We're going back na sa ating hotel accommodation. So kung paano tayo pumunta dito, like we rode the MRT, ganun din yung gagawin natin. Then dun sa MRT, lalakad ulit tayo for almost 12 minutes going to our hotel accommodation. And I guess that's it guys. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin. At sana na-feel nyo rin yung disappointment. Disappointed talaga ang peg ng bakla. So anyway guys, so that's really it for today's video, for today's vlog. I hope kahit pa paano na-enjoy nyo yung mga view na pinakita ko. At syempre, at the end of the day, nasa sa inyo pa rin yan kung pupunta kayo dito at itatry nyo to experience. Don't worry, hanggang Feb 2 2025 pa naman siya. So marami pa kayong time mag-decide. Alright? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit the notification bell. para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs natin here in Singapore, and syempre sa mga susunod pang travel vlogs natin sa iba't ibang bansa. And you can also follow my other social media accounts, guys. We have TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. And of course, follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you on my next Singapore travel vlog. Chup chup everyone.